this is Chino with Electro Freeze Southeast. I want to introduce you to our Electro Freeze SLX400. Our entry-level soft serve machine is a 2 and a twist and makes 8 gallons of product per hour. Offer your guests a smooth, creamy, and consistent yogurt, ice cream, custard, or sorbet. It features our VQM technology to streamline your business. Great for cafes, fast food restaurants, cafeterias, and mobile food trucks and trailers. All our machines are backed by our 1-year parts and labor, 2-year motor and gear, and 5-year compressor warranty. Hey guys, making milkshakes are fairly simple if you have the right tools. Making soft serve milkshakes are much easier than making it with hard ice cream. Typically you want to use about 60% soft serve and about 30% milk or liquid ice cream base. Using milk makes a milkier milkshake, while using liquid ice cream base will make it creamier. Also keep in mind, if you want a thicker milkshake, you'll want to use more soft serve and less liquid product. If you want a looser milkshake, then by all means use more milk or liquid ice cream base. Also, it's important to blend into your serving cup, which will reduce the amount of stuff you have to wash and clean on a daily basis. Using our Electro Freeze Artic Swirl blender, you can easily blend with plastic and foam cups. Dart also makes a lid called a DLW 626, which is extra wide. It fits most blending mechanisms, meaning like most of your blending heads can go straight through the hole, and it reduces mess and spillage. The lid fits most Dart and Karat plastic cups. If you're taking longer than a minute to make a milkshake, I mean, it shouldn't take you very long, then you're just not using the right tools, and you should really consider upgrading your equipment. You know, with rising labor costs, time is money now, so thanks for tuning in.